And another crash about 2 hours later in Carpinteria sent an adult and a child to Cottage Hospital. First responders were called to the scene about 10 o'clock when a car slammed into a power pole. The car had crushed the front end there where it hit the pole on Carpinteria Avenue east of City Hall. Traffic in all directions was diverted to make room for the first responders. The driver of the car and a child were taken by AMR to the hospital for a precautionary check. It was at the scene there, though, described as not an injury accident.
Businesses in Napomo's new shopping center are opening up their doors after